just pastels? Level up to an abstract pastel eye makeup today. Inspired by the runway look for the Paul and Joe show, pastel shades in swirly, artful design on the eye. Abstract pastel eye now.
Gone are the days when colored eyeshadow was too much. We are now in the era of the rainbow, the unicorn and the pride. So it is high time we level up to multicolor eyes. Try out the multicolor eyes now.
Still trying the age-old wing eyeliner? It is time to level up. Made popular by TikTokers, the reverse wing eyeliner is exciting and wearable at the same time. Try out the reverse wing eyeliner now.
So many eyeliner styles, so little time. It is time to level up.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.